Imagine you walk into a cafe. You want coffee. You want to speak English. But you think, what should I say first? Don't worry. Today we practice together. You've got this. Welcome to Elevate Your English. I'm Mia.
Hi, friend. I'm so happy you are here today. I'm Mark. This episode is part of our 200 Common English Phrases series. Phrases native speakers use every day.
Today, we practice polite cafe English. These phrases help you order food, ask for help, and speak kindly with people. And the best part, you can use them today. Yes, today.
Let's begin together.
You are in a small cafe. Listen first. Customer, excuse me.
Worker. Yes.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Worker. Of course.
I'd like a small coffee.
Sure. One small coffee.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Take your time.
Thank you.
Later.
Could you help me?
Yes.
Is this seat free?
Yes.
Great.
No problem.
Is this okay here?
Yes, that's fine.
Now, let's listen to the conversation one more time, this time at natural speed. Excuse me, can I have a coffee, please? I'd like a small coffee.
Here you are. Take your time.
Could you help me? That's fine.
No problem.
Nice and easy. You are already speaking real English. Now let's look at each phrase together. Think of this like a friendly practice conversation between us.
Excuse me.
We say this when we want attention politely. Example. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Repeat. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Excuse me, is this seat free? Repeat. Excuse me, is this seat free? Very useful, very polite. Try it now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Perfect.
Phrase 2. Can I?
We use this to ask for something. Example. Can I have water? Repeat. Can I have water? Can I sit here? Repeat. Can I sit here? Simple, natural, very common. Say it with me. Can I have coffee? Repeat. Can I have coffee? Great job.
Phrase 3. Could you?
This is a polite request. Example. Could you help me? Could you help me? Could you repeat that? Native speakers say this all the time. Now it's your turn. Could you help me? Excellent.
Phrase 4. I'd like.
This means I want, but it sounds more polite. Example. I'd like tea. Repeat. I'd like tea. I'd like a sandwich. Repeat. I'd like a sandwich. Now you try. I'd like coffee. Repeat. I'd like coffee. Nice and natural. Quick question, are you enjoying this lesson? Then, please subscribe now and hit the like button. Later, please give a comment. This helps us make more lessons like this.
That's right. Subscribing, hitting the like button, and sharing your comments creates a nice community and supports our channel. Thank you for being part of this wonderful community.
Okay, let's continue with the lesson.
Phrase 5. Here you are.
Someone gives you something. Example. Coffee is ready. Here you are. Your ticket. Here you are. You will hear this everywhere. Repeat. Here you are. Perfect.
Phrase 6. Take your time.
This means no hurry. Relax. Example. Take your time. Read slowly. Take your time. Choose your food. Friendly and kind English. Now you say it. Take your time. Wonderful. So far, we have learned 6 common phrases that you can use in daily conversation. We have few more to cover in lesson. Each week, we will cover few phrases like these until you learn 200 common phrases. So watch every week to improve your speaking.
Phrase 7. That's fine.
This means, it is okay. Example, is this chair okay? Yes, that's fine. Is this time okay? Yes, that's fine. Your turn? That's fine. Great.
Phrase 8. No problem.
This means, it's okay. I am happy to help. Example, thank you. No problem. Sorry, I am late. No problem. Now you say it. No problem. Excellent speaking. You now know 8 common phrases you can use in daily conversations. To help you feel even more comfortable, let's do more practice. Speak with me. Ready? Practice 1. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I have coffee? Can I have coffee? I'd like tea. I'd like tea. Here you are. Here you are. Take your time. Take your time. That's fine. That's fine. No problem. No problem. Well done, everyone. Practice 2. Cafe situation. Imagine you are in a cafe. Say this. Excuse me. Repeat, excuse me. Can I have coffee? Repeat, can I have coffee? Pause and say it now. Great work.
Practice 3. Asking for help.
You don't understand something. Say, could you help me? Try again. Could you help me? Excellent.
Practice 4. Friendly reply.
Someone says, thank you. You say, no problem. Say it now. No problem. Perfect. You sound natural already. Before we finish today, I want to tell you a small story. One of my students visited a cafe in another country for the first time. He was nervous. His heart was beating fast. He thought, my English is not good. But he walked to the counter and said,
Excuse me.
Then he stopped. He smiled. And he tried again.
Can I have coffee?
The worker smiled and said,
Of course.
Then she gave him the coffee and said,
Here you are.
He answered.
Thank you.
She said,
No problem.
And do you know what happened next? He felt happy. Very happy. Because he spoke English in real life. Not in a book. Not in a classroom. In the real world. And today, you can do the same thing. Next time you are in a cafe or a shop, or even speaking online, try just one sentence. Excuse me, you don't need perfect English. You just need one small step. And you are already taking that step today. I'm proud of you.
We are both proud of you. Please continue to learn and don't give up.
We enjoyed teaching you these 8 powerful daily phrases today. Keep coming back every week to learn the next ones. Thank you for learning with us at Elevate Your English. See you next week.
Bye for now.